So in this video we are going to make our new project, how to find distance between our camera and our face. For that we have written a small functions over here, which is focal length, distance finder and our face data. Inside our focal length we have to first provide our measure distance and our width and our image width. So for that we have to provide our one is our real image and one is our video camera. So it will try to compare the width of the images. So then it will try to compare our distance. So it will be our simple image which we will provide. As you can see here, I provided a simple image. And our second function, we have to provide our focal length, real face width and our width in photo. So it will try to compare our width of this image and in our video frame. After that we have to multiply our real face width and focal length. After that we have to divide our face width in photo. So similarly, one more function is that we have to provide our Hall cascade files. It will try to detect our face with the help of CV2 library. So for that, initially our face width will be 0, which will be captured by our video camera. After that, those frames we have to convert it into our gray image. After that, we are saying that detect multi-scale. Inside this we have to provide our gray image and it is our scaling factor. It is the parameter known as how much it can detect the faces. After that we have to provide, we need our bounding boxes. So it will try to make our rectangle on our face. So for that we have write x, y, hw. H is our height and w is our width. So we are saying that it is our bounding boxes. So it will be our point 1 and it is our point 2 to make our rectangle on our face. So it is the color value and it is our thickness. And after that we have to assign our face width equal to w. W is something of our width. So we are going to use this width in our main.py. So inside this, as we know, it is a simple code that we use to detect our simple face. If I show you by running this, now as you can see, it is very simple face. So here we have to make our face. So here we have to make our detection of our face. After that, it will try to compare our distance with our, by comparing with our images. So for that, let's write a code for that. So inside this, so first we have to provide our previous distance. It is our known distance, we can say, and it is our width, the initial width, we can say, of our frame. So inside, so after that we have to say that face underscore width. So inside this we have to pass with our face data because we have to first detect our face. We have to make rectangle on our face. So for that we are saying that we have to pass over inside this frame. Now, and inside our face data, we can see here at last is returning our w and it is returning our face width. So after that we are saying that if it is not equal to 0, or we can say it is, if it is greater than 0, so we have to find our distance. For the distance we have a function known as distance finder. So we are using simple our distance finder. Inside this it need three values. So for that first we have to provide our focal length. After that we have to provide our width, and after that we have to provide our face width in frame. We are just saying that now our distance is calculated. After that we have to show it in our frame. So for that we have a function put text. Inside this we have to pass our frame. Then we are saying this distance from camera. After that we have to provide our distance over here, and we are saying this it is our in our centimeter. Now what will be the coordinates of this line? So I have already made this video on put text, so you can check in my playlist. So for that, now we have to find, we have to say our font style. What is will be our font style? So for that, suppose we are taking font. After that, we have to provide a color value. Suppose we are taking 1, 2, 3. Randomly, I am taking that. Let's see what will be the color. After that, we have to provide our thickness. Before that, we have to provide our image also. So we have to write I am read, and it is our pic.jpg. So it is the same pic of me that I have taken randomly. So after that, we have to provide our face width also. So inside this, we have to pass our from a face data function. So it will be able to provide us our width. We have to provide our focal length. For the focal length, we have already a function focal length. Inside this, we have to pass our three values, which is our measured distance, real width, and width in image. So for that, we have our previous distance, and finally we have to provide our width, and we have to provide our face width. And now let's see it is working or not. Okay, now there's a main issue. Face is not defined. Okay, my function name is wrong. Face data. There is an issue with that. Okay. Now as you can see, it is showing the distance from our camera. So as you can see, it is a very large number and we have to provide a simple distance over here. So for that, we have to just write it, give a space over here, and inside this distance, we are using our round function. So minimum, I want two decimal values. So for that, let's rerun this. Let's stop it and run it again. Now as you can see, it is working fine. So we can do this for our hand also. Suppose we have two hands over here, and so we can find our distance between our hand also. So in my next video, I will try to do this. So it will make a bounding box in my hand. Then it will try to compare the distance between in my two second hand. So for that, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.